Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and if it's your first time stopping by, you're definitely welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hi guys, I'm going to be unboxing a few of my favorite products from Fenty Beauty. I'm going to be unboxing the new concealer, the setting powder, and my all-day, all-time favorite Fenty Beauty foundation and some other things, so stay tuned and keep on watching. Just got my head, what's your status update? Yeah. Let me tell you something, girl. So I got all my products from 𝒯.𝒽.𝒃.𝒄. From Sephora. This is the Fenty Beauty concealer. Oh, can't wait to see how it looks. Jeez. Wow, it looks like the foundation, but it's tinier. This is in the shade 440. Hey, let me do a swatch for you guys. So this is it. It's smooth on the skin. I don't think this is my shade, but I'm going to make do with it. Like, it's Fenty. And I have setting powder. Like, I couldn't wait to get my hands on this product. I'm sure it's going to be lovely. I've been using the 𝒯.𝒃.𝒄 setting powder, and it's nice. So I want to try new things. So first of all, this is how it comes, like the pack and everything. It's beautiful. Fenty, I like their packaging. That's one of the things I like from them. So this is the Pro Filter Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and it's in the shade 𝒯.𝒃.𝒄. So this is how it is. This is how the pack is. This is how it is. And let me open it up. This is the inside. It has this Fenty Beauty logo, as I say, the FB. It has a seal on the inside and the powder. I feel this powder is not going to be my shade too, but we may do. It's Fenty. I think I'll sign me. There's something else. Wow, they give you an extra what do you call this thing? The cover to cover the powder. So nice. Wow, that's really nice. This is like my favorite product from them. This one is in the shade 440. This is how it looks. This is how it comes in the pack. This is it. This is Fenty Beauty. Ta-da! This is Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. This is how it looks. I love this foundation. This foundation is like my OG. This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Up to 16-hour wear, lightweight, temperature control technology. So basically, this spray is like the best. This is probably the best spray I've used so far. It's really nice, and this is it. This is how it comes inside the pack. It's beautiful. This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. This is how it is, and this is the spray. So I'm going to try this right now. It smells nice too. And then last but not the least, this is the Kale Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Face Wash. From the company 𝒯.𝒃.𝒄, built to the people. This is how it looks. I've never used this before. If you guys want me to do a review on this, please comment down below. I'm going to try for the first time and let you guys know how it goes. It looks nice though. I like the bottle. It's really nice. Let me check inside. So it's just open. There's no pump or anything, but it looks nice. It smells good too. So guys, this brings me to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this product, and I hope you get your hands on this product stuff if you want to. So So thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for subscribing. If you haven't, please subscribe, please like this video. Thank you and bye bye.